My struggle to become a pioneer of the supercomputer was a struggle from being the last in computing to becoming the first in supercomputing. In the year 1960, I failed and I came last in all three terminal examinations of my first grade class in St. Patrick's Primary School, Sapele, Nigeria. That failure made my father unhappy. To help me do better in school, my father taught me in the evenings and gave me extra homework. With my father's guidance and daily tutoring, I became a much better student. I was a good student because I studied long hours and I did my own science experiments. I was curious about mathematics and physics, which other children found difficult and boring.